Hi, I'm Dana Baker Williams from Parenting in Real Life, and I am here today to talk about what to do when things aren't going the way you want them to, right? So let's say your child, you've asked them to, clean their room, and they haven't done it. So what do you do about that? It's frustrating. So sometimes we lose our temper and we just think, oh, I've told you 10 times you need to just do this, right? But sometimes they can't just do this. So if they have ADHD, they may walk into the room and think, this is too much. I don't know what to do with this. What does cleaning my room mean? So in those instances, chunking that down to say, put your shoes in the closet and your t-shirts in the drawer, make your bed. Direct sort of statements on how they should do it and what they should do. That's really helpful to them. And you'll see that that also keeps your frustration down and will improve how you communicate with your teen. One of the things I'd also say is that if she's not doing something you want her to do, come at that with some curiosity. So why isn't she? Is she overwhelmed, like I gave in that example? Or is she lagging skills? So maybe she doesn't know how to do the laundry, or she doesn't know exactly how to do this math, so she puts it away. The why behind that behavior is super helpful because then you can approach it as a collaborative problem solving, which is great anyway to teach them, right? How do they do that? How do you take something and figure out why you're not doing it and how you can get yourself to do it? So is it a time blindness? Is she frustrated? So with that curiosity, it would mean coming at her and saying, what is her perspective, right? So what's getting in the way of her meeting your expectations? What's getting in the way of her being able to complete something without being frustrated? How can she regulate herself better if she's, blowing up or having a tantrum or, refusing to do something? Asking, I noticed that you didn't clean your room, but why not? What got in the way there? Versus, I see that you avoided cleaning your room, right? So that's another thing. Make sure that you're coming at something from a place uh, of wanting to know and not necessarily assuming you're correct and it's a fact, right? Rather than an assumption. So all of those things can really bring your own frustration levels down and can improve your communication with your kids. And it can help them figure out how to work with you and negotiate with you and collaborate to problem solve. So those are my tips for the day, and I hope they're helpful. And reach out if you have any questions or comments on this or anything else. Parentinginreallife.org, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.